Hey guys, here's the second video, linear regressions. Now this one, they've given us a table. They don't want the equation. They want the correlation coefficient, and they want us to round it to the nearest thousand. So I want to take a quick picture and highlight the part. They want the correlation coefficient and they want us to round it to the nearest thousand. Now, this is a Regents question. I think this is the only one that I've ever seen that actually rounded the coefficient to the thousands place. But remember, thousand has three zeros. So that means we need to do fix three. So we need to go to the settings, the overall settings, and we need to change that to fix three. So let's do that. So I'm going to get out of here, and I need the calculator now. So let's go here. Now I've already entered the data because I don't want to spend a lot of time entering that. So we're going to go ahead and enter. I put age and heart rate up here. So I'm just going to go here and I'm going to go to the settings and then to the document settings. Now this is what controls the correlation coefficient. So we want this to be fixed 3. So we just go down to fixed 3 and then we press OK. And then we can go back and finish our regression. Now we're going to have to run the regression, even though we don't care about the regression. We only care about the correlation coefficient. We have to run the regression in order to get the correlation coefficient. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to the data and statistics. Down here, I'm going to put an X or age. And over here, I'm going to put heart rate, the Y. And then I'm going to do menu 461. Bam, 461. Now, I don't care what the equation is. I don't care what the rounding is. I don't care about this equation for this particular question. All I care about is the correlation coefficient. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the home screen, go to the calculator page, and then I'm going to do menu 6 for statistics and then stat results. Now, because we changed it to 3 digits, this is our R. The correlation coefficient is a negative 0.999. And if we go look at our answers, it would be the very first one. And I would choose it and I would submit it and it says, nice job. So remember, whenever you have to round the correlation coefficient, you gotta go to the home screen, go to this settings, go to the document settings, and then make sure this is set to whatever you need to round the correlation coefficient to. That's where you fix it here. Now, one more thing. When you get done with this question, go set it back to float. Don't leave it as fixed 3 because that'll affect all the other questions that you have to deal with. So only change this when you need to run the regression for and find the correlation coefficient. But once you're done, set it back to float, okay? So I'm going to stop and I'm going to post this. I'm going to do one more video also.